Yeah, hello, good afternoon, everyone. It's been nice to welcome you again to our meeting today. Yeah, this meeting is quite interesting because we'll be practicing how to pronounce tricky word English. Because as a non-native English speaker, sometimes is quite challenging for us to pronounce in the correct and the perfect way. And are you ready, guys, to start our meeting today? Okay, thank you. Okay, to start our meeting today, this is our warming up activity. I'll be showing you a video clip from YouTube, and you need to pay attention to the some tricky words. Yeah, I'll play the clip from YouTube to some tricky English sounds, and after that, you will be asked to repeat them out loud in the group, everyone. And after that, you need to post it on Padlet. Okay, it is okay for you to use mobile phone if you want to record your own voice when you want to repeat the tricky word uh, given on the video later on. Okay, and don't need to worry about because this activity will help us focus to our practice in pronouncing the word in English. Okay. Okay, since explanation and pronunciation is quite tricky, everyone, and let's explore why some English sounds difficult to say. Okay, we have a common word stress rules actually. Okay, you may find these tricky words such as record as a verb and record as a noun. Repeat after me. Record. Good. Record. Record. Okay, and then record. 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 Okay, don't need to worry everyone because we also talk about word stress and nations for the next activity. And yeah, you may use mirror if you bring it. In if you don't bring it, you may use your camera selfie on your mobile phone to watch your mouth as you speak. Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll be now practicing sounds that has a fair. Sounds like thin, thin, very, very. Ship, 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 ship. Okay. And you may repeat together then in pairs. Don't forget to make it more fun. You may record your own voice, right? And then you may give to your partner, and your partner will check it on the Google Translate by clicking the mic, okay, to match the sounds that you give to the exact words on Google Translate. And next, I'll give you 10 words, and you need to mark which syllable is trace, and we'll check and repeat them together as a classroom activity. Okay. Okay, so we will use another technology in our activity today. You may go to the flip grid, now known as a flip, and you may record yourself reading a short paragraph. I'll giving a short paragraph for you to read, and then you need to focus on the pronunciation, stress, and intonation. Remember, just keep your focus on these three aspects: pronunciation, the stress, and also the intonations. And after that, you need to watch your classmate video, and then you need to give feedback regarding the strengths and also possibly the tip that you want to share to your friends because this activity hopefully will help us to build our self-awareness and also confidence in pronouncing tricky words in English. Okay. Yeah, and we are now in our speaking practice in the dialogue role play, everyone. Okay, so you need to find your partner. Make sure that you choose a new partner, right? Okay, you may do it in pairs. Yeah, you may choose the scenario that you like, such as ordering food, giving directions, or any kind of scenario that you like. Okay, just discuss with your partner, and in your partner, you need to use the sound and stress pattern that we have already learned. I'll listen and give you feedback. I'll do classroom observations and yeah, just enjoy your time. Just have a good discussion with your friend, with your partner, and don't forget to record any challenging word and please post it on a shared Google document to be later on checked by all the classroom members today. Okay? Right. Thank you so much, everyone, for doing so. We have already been practicing how to pronounce some tricky word in English. We need to focus on the stress and also intonation. Okay. You may go to the Padlet, everyone, and you need to answer this self-reflection question. Question number one, which sound is still difficult for you? Just type out the sounds which is difficult for you, and don't forget to give your voice examples. Yeah, because later I will be checking out. And then the question number two, what technique helped you today? Maybe you have your own technique having discussed with your partner and also with your group. And yeah, we'll discuss a few of your answer as a group later on. And I think that's all everyone for today. It's been nice for me to share and to teach about how to pronounce some English tricky words. I do hope that later on you face those words, you have already known how to pronounce it in a correct and perfect way. That's all from for today. As usual, try your best to always stay motivated. Thank you so much, everyone.